Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to the display and brightness. And as you can see right here, we've got the screen option with the sleep section, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Right now we've got 30 seconds applied. This option is marked, and all we have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one we would like to set. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see, we do not have to enter the sleep option again because it is notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.